Hey guys, this is Loreli with WTI. If you prefer small bags to carry your items when you're doing some errands, or even maybe to hold your important documents while at the airport, you need to get yourself one of these bags. This is an Isabelle small functional multi-pocket crossbody bag. I love it because it's small, but it's not so small that you can barely fit anything. I can put my large wallet in here, for example, along with my cell phone, a lipstick, my keys. It has pockets inside too, so I can maybe put some money in there perhaps. And on the outside, as you can see, it has pockets as well, two in the front and one in the back. So the purse is small, easy to walk around with, especially when you're out walking all day, maybe doing some sightseeing and you don't want to carry around something heavy. This one will be great for you. That is why I really recommend this crossbody bag. And that is my point of view.